Oh man, I'm gonna lose it. Well, looks like I'm going for a hike. It's dropping in altitude. I can't do nothing. No issues. If I had more battery life, I probably could have gone farther. I'm going to take a look at the map. I might go back to regular map. And just because that's so annoying, I think I'll just take over the stick. Just follow the map back. Okay, I'm at 50% battery life. Over 9,500 feet to go. Not exactly sure where I'm standing in relation to this drone. Haven't really studied the map program. When I get within 6,000 feet, I think I'll go and hit return to home again. Going across the road again. So I thought everything was going fine until this warning popped. It's a warning that I've never seen before telling me it's too cold to be out here flying. It was anywhere from 20 to 25 degrees out that day. Kind of chilly. Okay, it's prompting me to return to home. So I'm gonna go and do it.
Go home.
It says the temperature is too low or something. I'll have to read that prompt later. Just saw a coyote on the way here. Was hoping maybe I'd spot something, but not really. At this point, I've got well over a mile to go. By the way, I set my return to home really high, over 300 feet. Okay, I'm under a mile. Right about here is where I start to freak out as I'm losing altitude really quick. My speed's down to 6 miles an hour. I saw a video from my buddy Gene on Dronerized Photography, and he had a very similar thing happen where he lost all power and was forced to make an emergency landing. Luckily, he was able to land it near a road where he could just drive up and load it up in his car. I wasn't exactly sure what to do, so at this point I decided to go ahead and cancel the return to home. Battery cells under voltage, replace battery. Well, I was able to override it, so I took it off of return to home. I'll just keep bringing her back. "86 feet is fine, it's pretty flat out here." I honestly think it was about to land. Low battery warning. That's kind of annoying. Let's staying at 87 feet. Within 3,000 feet. Looks like that's me out there. It's real good. It's dropping and there's nothing I can do about it.
Go home.
This was a mistake, but it's the only thing I could figure out to do. Just worked again. It was getting ready to land. I had no control. And just try and bring it closer. Maybe 300 feet's a little high. Okay, here we go. Within 2,000 feet. I can see my truck out there. And it's dropping in altitude again. I hear it, but I do not see it. Cancel that. Alright, took over again. Just trying to go full throttle home. It definitely wants to land. "1,500 feet. Well, looks like I am gonna go hiking. Dang it.
Critically low battery. Landing.
Oh, looks like I'm going for a hike. Well, soft landing at least. Dang it. This is when it sucks to find out you have little to no cell service. Didn't make it back, I gotta walk over there. Oh, yay.
Critically low battery.
Try Google Maps here. Well, could be anywhere around here. That's why I flew over public lands. Just for this reason. After 15 or 20 minutes, I finally found it. Oh, found it. Nice. Alright. Mission accomplished. Still in perfect shape. I got a ways to go back. Ended up able to use Google Maps to find it. I barely have service, so pretty stoked right now. A little bit of snow and that's it.